Hi, it's Mariga here from Skin Essentials, and I'm really super excited to bring you the videos today because today is the day that I am revealing on video the Christmas gift sets for 2018 and their contents and their prices and who they are best for. So this first video is our Hydrate and Glow collection. Now this is one I very specifically wanted to have one that was universal. So this is for all skin types. So that makes it really good for gifting if you wanted to get a Skin Essentials gift set for somebody, but of course you don't know exactly what skin needs they have. The Hydrate and Glow collection is suitable for absolutely everybody. So it does have a value of €127 with all of the contents, but these are coming to you at €99 while stocks last. So I love our red and white Christmas packaging. We're really getting into the Christmas spirit here today, and this is how our Hydrate and Glow collection is coming to you. So all of our gift sets are in these reusable keepsake boxes. So these are magnetic. So once you can keep your products in them, or you can keep anything at all in them. I love these for single eyeshadows and loose makeup after. So the Hydrate and Glow contains 3 products, as I say, universal, suitable for all skin types. And the idea behind the Hydrate and Glow is that this is good for anybody who just needs a little boost and wants to do a home care solution. So the first product that you would use from this is the Enzyme Exfoliator. Now that is I don't want to say that word so much in this video. It's a universal exfoliator, so it can be safely used by anybody, even the most sensitive skin, if you need some exfoliation, a little bit of a boost, a brightness boost. So with the Enzyme Exfoliator, you put that on a clean, dry skin, 3 to 4 pumps, apply it all over. Be careful not to put it into your eyes, of course. Like everything, you can apply it face and neck. Leave that to work for about 10 minutes. It's okay if you get a little small tingle from this, but if it feels a little stronger than a small tingle, you can take it off a little earlier and still get benefit. Your skin will get used to it. If it does tingle strongly, that's just a sign that you need a little bit of barrier repair, which of course is in the kit as well. So the second product in the Hydrating Glow collection is our Hyaluronic Moisture Boost. This is our high molecular weight hyaluronic acid serum. There you go. Try saying that one before coffee. And this also contains, of course, like all of our products, we love multi-purpose. So this has collagen peptides. So this is going to give you that hydration boost. Hyaluronic acid, as we know, draws water to itself. The idea of the high molecular weight is that it stays towards the surface because that's where we want to pull the moisture to. And you can use this after your enzyme exfoliator as like a weekly treatment, or you can actually use this absolutely every day. The way I personally use this one, I don't have dehydrated skin in general, but if you've just been sick or you're in and out of the weather and your skin is just temporarily dehydrated, like use that every day. I mix it with my nighttime serum, use it every night for maybe a week or 2, then put it down and pick it up again when I need it. So that's the Hyaluronic Plus Moisture Boost. So for dehydrated skin, which of course dehydrated can apply to any skin type. We can all get temporarily dehydrated. So that is the second product in the Hydrate and Glow collection. And the third one is the Hydrating Cream. So again, high in hyaluronic acid. This one is for all skin types requiring just a moisture boost, a surge of hydration. The 2 can be layered. So again, if you are using it as a treatment after the enzyme exfoliator, you would put the moisture boost serum on first, allow that to absorb. It's not going to take very long, just a few seconds, and you will seal that in with the cream, and 1 pump of each of these is your full dose. So these are absolutely suitable to be used as your everyday serum and cream. They don't just have to be for like that once a week after the exfoliator. So you can use those all the time. Absolutely super. Really nice under makeup as well. The one caution that I always give when using a product or products that are high in hyaluronic acid is that if you work in a very dry environment, specifically I always end up saying this to nurses and doctors who obviously work in a very dry environment all day, but if you are in any environment that's dry, I would leave using your hyaluronic product until nighttime, assuming that your home sort of temperatures and air quality is a little bit better. You can, of course, try using them during the day, but I just find that if you're in a very dry environment, it's going to work that little bit better to use them at night, and you want to get the best out of your products. So that is the Hydrate and Glow collection. As I say, €127 value, but while stocks last, these are €99 and they are available on our website, or they are available here in our Wexford clinic. So you can buy online, you can pay with your credit debit card, pay with PayPal, you can call us over the phone. You can have this shipped to you for gifting, or you can get us to drop ship it directly to your recipient, and we'll put a little card in, but just do, of course, let us know if that is the case, so we don't put a receipt in with it. So Hydrate and Glow collection. Any questions, leave them below, and I look forward to lots of you getting your Hydrate and Glow on this winter with our new collection.